The percentage of Native Americans getting the COVID-19 vaccine is high. Cameron Brewer spoke with a healthcare worker about why the turnout has been so big.
Early on in the pandemic, we did see our middle-aged to elderly tribal members contracting the virus and being affected more severely with long periods of hospital stays in the ICU. And then, unfortunately and tragically, we lost quite a few of our elderly during this time as well.
Sitting Bear says tribal members wanted to protect loved ones by preventing the spread any further.
We're taught to put the safety and well-being of our elderly and children first. So we saw that adults from any age all the way up to our elderly, that was their big motivator for getting the vaccine.
Sitting Bear also says Native Americans are predisposed to other medical conditions, which increases the risk for severe COVID-19 complications.
Across North Dakota, community exposure and household contact exposure has been the leaders of infection rates. We did have 18 deaths from the COVID-19 virus, and of those 18, 12 of those were over the age of 60 years old. So 66% of those that we lost were elders.
Which is why now the Native Americans are having a high turnout in numbers. 6,242 vaccinations have been reported. A small portion of the numbers consist of unregistered tribal members and other ethnic groups.
Majority of our community members live in multi-generational households.
The Elbow Wood Memorial Health Center is where most shots have been administered in Newtown. Reporting in Bismarck for KX News, I'm Cameron Brewer.
One of the youngest members of the tribe to die from COVID-19 was just 17 years old.